Do you want to play your music from your phone on your computer speakers without transferring the files? This is possible using 3 different methods: via USB, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So in today's video, let's see how to stream audio from Android to PC. Method 1. Stream audio from Android to PC via Bluetooth. In the first method, I'll show you how to stream audio from your phone to your PC via Bluetooth. The feature that enables this functionality in Windows PC is called Bluetooth A2DP Sync. However, to use this feature, you have to install an app from Microsoft Store. The app is called Bluetooth Audio Receiver. After installation, connect your Android device and PC via Bluetooth. Now, launch the Bluetooth Audio Receiver app. Your phone should appear here. Just select it and click on Open Connection. You are done. Now you can play any audio on your phone and listen to it through the computer speaker. Method 2. Stream audio from Android to PC over Wi-Fi. In this method, we'll use the inbuilt Miracast feature to cast Android audio to the computer over Wi-Fi. Miracast is available on both Android and Windows devices. To use Miracast, you have to connect your phone and PC to the same Wi-Fi network. Now you need to enable the Miracast feature on your PC. To do so, please follow the steps. On Windows PC, the Miracast technology is called wireless display. So add this feature to the PC. Let the feature get installed on the PC. After installation, launch the wireless display app. Now you can head over to your smartphone. From the Quick Settings panel, select the Screencast option, or you can also launch it from the Android settings. Here, select your PC from the list of devices available. Now your phone screen should appear on the PC, and it will also cast the Android audio to the PC. So you can play anything on your phone and you'll hear the audio output through the computer speakers. Method 3. Stream audio from Android to PC via USB. For this method, you will need a 3.5 mm male-to-male audio cable and a USB audio adapter. You can buy them from Amazon. I'll provide the links in the video description. Now, start by plugging the audio adapter into your computer's USB port. Then, plug one end of the audio cable into your phone and the other end into the microphone port of the audio adapter. Now, go to the controls panel and open the sound settings of your PC. Go to the Recordings tab. Here, you should see an entry for the microphone from the USB audio device. Right-click on it and select Properties. Go to the Listen tab and check the Listen to this device option. Now everything is set up. You can play any audio on your device and listen to it playing through your computer speakers.